tire dealers provided us with valuable information regarding their profit margins for tire service and tire sales, indicating which one generates higher profitability. You may be surprised, as our data found the segment of tire dealer sales with the highest profit margin has nothing to do with even selling tires. Let's talk more about that.
This video is sponsored by Wix Filters, manufacturers of filters for automobiles, trucks, off-road equipment, and manufacturing applications. Go to wixfilters.com for more information.
Hello and welcome back to Rollin' with the Numbers, where we present you with data that gives tire dealers information to keep their tire businesses rolling, based on research conducted with our independent tire dealer audience and beyond. My name is Christian, and on this week's show, we're looking at tire dealers' gross profit margins relating to services offered and tire sales. Gross profit margin is an essential financial indicator that is calculated by subtracting the cost of goods sold, which includes direct expenses like manufacturing, wholesale prices, or supplier costs, from total revenue. Let's be real for a second. I think it's high time we change the name of gross profit margin. It has such a negative connotation. I'm officially announcing my support for delicious profit margins. I think tire dealers appreciate this, as there's nothing gross about these margins. According to our data, tire dealers' highest gross profit margins come from retail tire service work, a margin of 49%. Tire dealers' second highest gross profit margin comes from retail service parts at 47%. Meanwhile, wholesale tire sales and retail tire sales dropped to 41% and 40% profit margins respectively. That means that tire dealers see the most profit margins from retail tire service, not tire sales. As for segment-specific tire sale margins, OTR and AG Sales boasted the highest profit margins at 41% among tire sales. This doesn't come as a surprise, considering the specialized expertise required for the selection and fitting of OTR and AG tires. Dealers with an understanding of this field can confidently offer solutions to cater to customers' unique needs, which justifies the premium pricing for their knowledge and service. There is essentially no distinction among respondents regarding specific types of tire sales and the corresponding profit margins. For example, commercial tire sales came in at a close second at 40% gross profit margin, while light truck and passenger tire sales each maintain a 39% profit margin. Now, does this mean tire dealers should just say sayonara to tire sales altogether? Not at all. Customers in the community still value an independent tire dealer's work and would rather come to you for their tire service needs, including new equipment and service that comes with it. According to our data, our respondents say 45% of total profits come from tire sales on average. Still though, 39% of respondents said that anywhere between 51 to 100% of profits come from tire sales, showcasing the value communities still place in your tire and service options. Staying tuned to your profit margins is crucial for tire dealers to navigate the market and successfully find areas for growth and improvement. If you notice heavy profit margins with service work sales but see very low margins in tire sales, it may be time to rethink your selling strategy. Consider cross-selling services like offering free tire service on a new set of tires, and analyze your pricing strategies like how you bundle services and offers to ensure that you're getting the highest profit margins possible. How are your tire sales profit margins looking? Let us know. So that's today's show, but for more business intelligence data to help boost tire dealer profitability, be sure to watch out for our next episode. If you subscribe to our newsletter, it's in there. Look out for it. Until next time, keep on rolling.